my dear children. Dear children, we are revising chapter number 6, Saudi Arabia, the land of hot sand. Yesterday we had discussed about its location, climate, vegetation and life of the people in Saudi Arabia. Now today we are going to discuss about the wildlife of Saudi Arabia. Wildlife means the animals which are found here. As you know, Saudi Arabia is a desert country. Though it is a rocky plateau, but it is a desert country. There is acute shortage of water over there. There is acute shortage of drinking water as well as water for other purposes also is there. Only plants like cactus, kikar and thorny bushes are grown here because they need less water to survive here. They store their water, their food and water in their long roots and fleshy stems so that they can use it in the future. They store their water, they store the water in their long roots and fleshy stems to be used in future. So the animal also which is found here, which is the most important animal and useful animal which is found here is camel. Camel is the most important animal in the desert region. Why camel is important animal? Because it is the only animal which can survive in the desert region without water for many days. Camel is the only animal which can survive without water for many days in the desert region. It stores its food and water in its hump. It stores its food and water in its hump for future purpose. Camel has padded feet which help to walk on loose sand. Camels have padded feet which helps to walk on loose sand. Its eyes and nostrils do not get damaged during the sandstorm. When the sandstorm comes in the desert, the eyes and nostrils of the camel do not get damaged due to the sandstorm. Camel's hair and skin are used to make different things. Camel's hair and skin are used to make different things like tents, ropes, mats, baskets, etc. Camel's hair and skin are used to make different things like tents, ropes, mats, baskets, etc. And these things people use to exchange with the things that they need in their daily life. As I have told you yesterday also about the barter system in which people used to exchange their things with the things that they need in their daily life. Now what are the things that they need in their daily life? They need food grains, they need wheat, they need medicines, they need tea, they need dates, they need daily products. So these are the things that people use to exchange with the things that they need in their daily life. Some other animals are also found here. Other animals are also found here like Arabian horse and jackals. Arabian horse and jackals are also found here. Camel is the only animal which is found here. It is the animal which needs less water to survive or which can survive without water for many days. Its padded feet helps to walk on loose sand easily. Its eyes and nostrils do not get damaged when the sandstorms comes, and camel's hair and skin are used to make different things like mats, ropes, baskets, etc., which people use to exchange with the things that they need in their daily life. Due to all these reasons, camel is called the ship of the desert. Camel is called the ship of the desert. Some other animals are also found here. Some other animals are Arabian horse and jackals. Arabian horse and jackals are also found here. Birds like pigeon and quails are also found here. Birds like pigeon and quails are also found here. So, this is all about the wildlife of Saudi Arabia.